Just painting a simple seascape starting with the sky using blue and white with a large flat brush. Adding a touch more blue and a little bit of red here, mixing with the white to paint a darker colour. And I'm going to blend this wet in wet on the canvas. I'm using a Stay Wet homemade palette. I've used a plastic tray with some paper towel which I've wet and put some baking or parchment paper on top. It creates an osmosis effect, so it keeps the acrylics from drying out, great for beginners. So I've mixed in a little bit of white and red with a pinch of yellow, and I'm blending it in the sky. Added a touch more yellow here and blending in the sky, coming down to the horizon. You can be quite creative with skies, and it's a great way of starting off in acrylics if you're a beginner. Added a touch more of the red, white and yellow at the top there, and just having fun blending the paint on the canvas. Added some blue and white here for the sea at the bottom, a touch more blue to make it a touch darker, still using that flat 1-inch brush. I did rinse my brush to make sure I didn't have any contamination. Adding a touch more white here and just really blending it up to the horizon area, and you can see it lightens the colour as well. I'm adding a touch of yellow and white right on that horizon so you can't actually see a horizon line. A little bit more of the pink and white there just above the horizon to create a lovely atmospheric effect. I kind of wanted to go for a stormy sky, so I've actually added some of the blue, the red and white there just on the horizon, just to make it look a bit more stormy. And the reason why is I'm going to paint some white sailboats there, and I wanted them to stand out. And I'm actually darkening up the sea colour here by adding red and blue with a touch of white and blending it in the foreground area, and this will create depth in your painting. And I'm going to allow the painting to dry. Once the painting is dry, I'm just using a 1/2-inch flat brush and I'm painting in the white sails, just using white on its own. And just painting some darks at the bottom of the boat there. And now some reflections using the blue, the pinch of red and some white. And now I'm using my paper towel just to smudge those marks while they're wet, and it creates the look of reflections in water. I'm using a small round brush to apply some white paint to paint the white reflections in the water. And I'm just applying a little bit of the blue mixed with the red and white with my small brush in the foreground area of the sea. And then adding a few more lights here and there with the white and a few more darks as well to finish off my painting. If you'd like to see the real-time tutorial, check out the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.